bunny popping out of the egg. This is pastel blue fondant, and this is right out of the Satin Ice bucket. That's why I love Satin Ice. One of the reasons I love it is they have all these different colors, and I hardly ever have to mix colors. Yay! So I'm just rolling this out. Take the same cookie cutter. I only really need this section in the middle, so I'm just going to take that, cut. Don't have to worry about where the legs are or the ears. I'm just gonna end up cutting that off anyway. And let me get, I guess I'll just be using my pizza cutter here. Okay, so I don't need the tail, so I'm gonna cut the tail off. Ouch, there we go. Don't need the legs, so from this little point here where it goes in to this point here, I'm gonna take this and I am going to curve it and go up. So I've got that off. And then I do not need the ears, so I'm gonna take that and get this one off. There we go. Okay, so that is the egg shape that I need. Pop this under the plastic, bring it on over, and then it's gonna go right in this area here. Okay, before I attach it, what I'll do is see where it's a little rough here, I'll go ahead and just smooth that a little bit. And then I could take some water, go ahead and place it on top. Again, if you have water on your hands, get it off. And then I'll just spread it out just a tiny bit, not a lot. Okay, there we go. Now I'll go ahead onto the white so that I can go ahead and do the legs and the ears. Cornstarch. You notice I'm never flipping the fondant over, always using the nice side up. So I don't have to, you can just cut the whole thing if you want. I don't really need to. And I don't need the tail because I'm going to add that a little different way. And then here I just need the ears, like so. And then what I'll do is cut them in the same spot as I cut the egg. So right here I'm going to need that. And I'm going to need that. Don't need that. Wrap that back on up. So I'll start with these. Little water. Flip that over. Butt it up right up against that egg there. There we go. Curve that a tiny bit. And then water here. Sometimes I'll put the water on the cookie instead of on the fondant. It just, sometimes it will, if you do it that way, sometimes it soaks into the cookie faster than you can get the fondant on. But you can do it either way. It's not like it's a rule that you can't. Okay, so just make sure those are right up against each other. And then here, I'm gonna cut right here to here. Wait. Is that right? Yeah. So you have to check, do some, it's actually not here, it's here. Wait, was that right? Yeah. And then curve it. Test it before you put the water on. There we go.